everyone, today we'll explore Khan Academy, a free online learning platform. So let's now demonstrate how Khan Academy works. First, we can log in using our Google account, Clever account, Facebook account, Apple account, and our Microsoft account. So if you already have an account, you can log in your username and your password here. So since we don't have an account, let's click the sign up today. And here we can choose whether you're a learner, a teacher, or a parent. So let's click the I'm a teacher. So let's click this box and then let's click the continue with Google. So let's choose an account and then continue. And then let's wait for a while. And then we have here an information. You need to put your information here and then continue. So since we click the teacher, we have here all the tools needed in teaching. So we can also create a lesson plan here. So these are the plan tools. These are for creating exercises and other tests. And this is for differentiate tools such as connecting real life world context. And the next is the support tools. And lastly is the learn tools. If you want to refresh your knowledge, then we have here the classes, students, and resources. So let's click the classes. So we have here a description. So it is asking if you are using Khan Academy on behalf of school. Or so let's click the no and save it. But you can click the yes if you can use Khan Academy. So now let's save it. So we can see here in the name of class, and also you can import your class from the Google Classroom. So we just need to go back and then let's click the students. We can see here the names of your students. And then for the resources, you can see the printables, the documents, and the professional learning. So we can see here the course summary. We have teachers and students, parents, and out of school program. So let's click the Academigo tools and then search for problem solving. So we have here an exercises for problem solving. So naa siya ay mga grade level sa kilid. So let's check the video if you want to watch a video of problem solving. So let's click the percent for percentage, solving percent problems. And we can see here the lesson for percentage. So let's go back and then let's click the exercise. So let's try to solve problem solving here. Let's click this world problem solving quadratic equations for grade 9. And then let's click the let's go button and then let's start answering. So as we can see here, there is skip here and check. So let's start answering 11 and then we can skip if you want to skip and then check if you're already done answering. So we can see here the step-by-step solution if your answer is correct. And then let's click the button for the next question. So let's start answering again. And then let's click check. And then there's a step-by-step solution again. And the next question. So let's start answering again. As you can see here, if your answer is wrong, there's a step or a strategy here. And then let's answer it again. So our answer is still wrong again. It gives another step for the problem solving. Let's try to answer number 16 here. So our answer is correct. So let's answer next question. So it's still correct again, and then let's click here and then answer our next question. So let's try to answer 50, I guess 50. And then let's see the step-by-step solution. So here's the solution for of it. And then we have here the summary of the test. We can try to exercise again or click the next exercise. So let's try to click explore and then let's click the Math Philippines. So as we can see here, there's a level from grade 1 to senior high math in the Philippines. This is for, I think, modules for or lessons for every level. So now let's analyze Khan Academy. Here are the key points we noted. So first, key features. So it offers video lessons, practice exercise, progress tracking, and interactive tools. Second, math topics covered from basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, up to calculus and statistics. Third, target learners. So students from elementary to college level, teachers, and even adults who want to review math. Fourth, strengths. Free access, clear explanation, adapted practice, and a wide range of topics. Fifth, limitations. Requires internet connection, and some learners may prefer face-to-face guidance. Sixth, classroom applications. So teachers can assign lessons, track student progress, and use exercises as supplementary practice.
Good day, learners. Now, we are going to explore the platform Mathigon. So, I am Diana, and I am going to show you what are the advantages and how to utilize this platform. So, if you don't have or if you don't install the application, then you can search it online and you just need to type Mathigon and then click it right away. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. Just need to fill the information that they need, and then if you have an account already, and then you can sign up. So you just need to log in, and then dashboard will pop up after you log in. So as you can see, there is a lot of features in here like polypads, interactive courses, and activities that you can enjoy while you are learning. So first, let's explore the polypad, one of the key features of the Mathigon. So you can use polypad for demonstration, for visualization of objects, and etc. It is used for some teachers for demonstrations. So for the interactive courses, there is a lot of math topics covered in here, such as geometry, trigonometry, algebra, probability, and some explorations. That is suitable for those middle school and high school students. It is also good for those curious adults and also for those teachers that who wants also to learn. So you can choose any topic that you want in here, from geometry, numbers, and algebra, and also for probability and applications. So for the activities, as you can see, there is a lot of options you can enjoy while learning. As you can see in here, there is a lot of options that you can choose, like timeline or algebra, and for different topics that you want. Let's try to answer questions from this platform. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's answer one of the topics in here. There are some recommendations, and I choose the topic sequence, and then there is a little bit introduction in here, and at the bottom there is diagnostic that you can answer. So I just need to fill it numbers, which is the accordance to its pattern. So I will answer it right now, and then our answer is correct. Also in here we can okay, answer is correct. So at the bottom we'll continue answering. Also we are going to answer this one, representing the enter. And that's all for Mathigon, and that's all for me.